Hi, let's go over how to find the highest paid vendors and payments to vendors on Transparent Utah. Go ahead and scroll down till you find the highest paid vendors page and click it. Once you're on this page, select the entity of interest. For this example, we're going to do Salt Lake City. And then select the year of interest. Let's go ahead and do 2023. Then click the Submit button. This will populate both tables. On the left-hand side, we have the largest single payments. Here we can see that the largest payments went to Holder Big D Construction. This is most likely for some kind of construction-related project. And then over here, on largest payees, this is the total amount paid over a given fiscal year. We can see the largest was, once again, Holder Big D Construction, but then we can see other interesting ones, such as PHP for like employee insurance, the Water District, Airport Services, Rocky Mountain Power, etc. If you want to download this data, you can click the CSV button on either one of them, and it goes up to 100 of the highest paid on each of these, so feel free to switch between the pages by using these next and previous buttons. Please let us know if you have any questions on how to use this page. Thank you.